Welcome back to English Boost Everyday Everyone. Today's episode is all about harnessing technology to elevate your English learning experience. And guess what? Yapmanız gereken 5 şeyi öğreneceksin. You're about to discover 5 essential strategies to select, use, and integrate digital resources effectively, helping you become a more fluent, confident English speaker. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm thrilled to be here with our expert guest, Sarah, who specializes in digital learning tools. Let's jump right into it.
Hi, everyone. I'm really excited to join you today. In our fast paced digital world, there are countless apps, online courses, podcasts, and virtual study groups available to boost your language skills. However, it can be overwhelming to choose the best ones that match your unique learning style. Today, I'm going to share practical tips on how to select the right digital tools, integrate them into your daily routine, and overcome potential challenges. Let's dive into our first strategy.
All right, our first essential strategy is identify and select top digital tools. With so many apps out there, Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, and more, it's important to choose the ones that truly enhance your learning. Sarah, can you explain why this selection process is critical and what criteria we should use?
Certainly, Michael. Not every digital tool will suit your needs. When selecting apps or online platforms, look for those that have user-friendly interfaces, interactive features, and content that's updated regularly. Read reviews, check ratings, and, if possible, take advantage of free trials. For example, Duolingo is great for daily practice, while Babbel might offer more structured lessons. The idea is to pick tools that cater to your learning style. Whether you're a visual learner who benefits from video lessons or someone who prefers interactive quizzes and gamified challenges, this careful selection will set a solid foundation for your digital learning journey.
That's a great point. Tailoring your resources to your learning style makes a huge difference. Now, let's move on to our second essential strategy. Evaluate online courses and virtual classrooms. There are plenty of online courses and virtual classes available. Sarah, what should our listeners consider when choosing an online course for English?
When it comes to online courses, structure and interactivity are key. Look for courses that offer a clear curriculum, include interactive components like quizzes and discussion forums, and provide feedback from instructors. Platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, or even specific language learning sites often feature courses designed by experienced educators. It's also important to consider the course format. Do you prefer self-paced learning or live virtual classes? Choosing the right format can keep you motivated and ensure you're getting the support you need throughout your learning process.
Excellent advice, Sarah. Structured courses can really guide your progress and keep you accountable. Our third essential strategy is engage with virtual study groups and online communities. Language learning is a social process, and connecting with peers can enhance your skills. Sarah, how can our listeners take advantage of virtual study groups?
Virtual study groups and online communities are fantastic for real-time practice and feedback. Platforms like Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or dedicated language exchange sites allow you to interact with fellow learners and native speakers. Joining these communities gives you the opportunity to ask questions, share resources, and even participate in group challenges or virtual meetups. The social aspect of learning helps build confidence and reinforces what you've studied by putting it into practice. Additionally, discussing topics with others exposes you to different perspectives and learning techniques that you might not encounter on your own.
That's so true. Learning with peers can boost your confidence and make the process much more engaging. Now, let's move on to our fourth essential strategy. Integrate digital resources into your daily routine. It's one thing to have these tools at your disposal, but using them consistently is the real secret to success. Sarah, what tips do you have for integrating digital learning into a busy schedule?
Consistency is the cornerstone of progress. I recommend setting aside specific times each day dedicated solely to your English practice, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes. Use a digital calendar or a study planner to schedule these sessions and stick to them. You can mix and match activities. Perhaps start with a quick vocabulary exercise on an app, Then watch a short video lesson and finish with a few interactive quizzes. The key is to create a routine that feels natural and sustainable. Also, consider using mobile apps so that you can practice on the go. With regular use, these digital tools will become an integral part of your daily life, and your skills will improve steadily over time.
That's very practical. Even short, focused sessions can yield significant progress when done consistently. Finally, our fifth essential strategy is leverage expert insights and user experiences. Hearing from experts and learning from the experiences of others can help you fine-tune your approach. Sarah, what advice do you have on utilizing expert insights?
Expert insights are incredibly valuable for navigating the digital learning landscape. Follow trusted language blogs, subscribe to educational YouTube channels, and listen to podcasts that review language learning apps and techniques. Experts often share tips on how to overcome common challenges and optimize the use of digital tools. Additionally, don't hesitate to join forums where you can ask questions and read success stories from other learners. These user experiences can offer practical advice and inspire you to try new methods. By staying informed and adapting the best practices shared by experts, you'll continuously improve your approach and maximize your learning outcomes.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential strategies for leveraging digital resources in your English learning. 1. Identify and select top digital tools. Choose apps and platforms that match your learning style and have strong user reviews. 2. Evaluate online courses and virtual classrooms. Look for structured, interactive courses that fit your preferred learning format. 3. Engage with virtual study groups. Join online communities to practice in real time and gain diverse insights. 4. Integrate resources into your daily routine. Set aside consistent study time and mix different digital activities. 5. Leverage expert insights. Follow trusted sources and learn from the experiences of others to continuously optimize your learning.
Exactly, Michael. By incorporating these strategies into your routine, you'll transform your language learning experience. Digital resources make English learning more accessible, engaging, and efficient. They empower you to tailor your studies to your unique needs and help you make steady progress over time.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start applying these tips immediately. Whether you're new to digital tools or looking to optimize your current routine, every small effort counts. Integrate these strategies into your daily practice, and soon you'll see your language skills soar.
Absolutely. Embrace the power of technology and let it revolutionize your learning. Remember, every resource you explore and every expert tip you implement brings you one step closer to mastering English.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you found this episode helpful, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing. We update our channel daily with fresh, engaging content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and motivates us to continue delivering cutting-edge language tips.
That's right. So, as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind to leverage digital resources for superior language learning. With the right tools, a consistent routine, and expert guidance, you're well on your way to revolutionizing your English skills. Until next time, this is Michael, with Sarah by my side, signing off. Have an amazing day, and keep embracing the power of technology in your learning journey.